Hey, Nicholas. So you're talking about establishing forward bend. And so I'll talk to you about a few things here. One is just kind of coincidental. If you maybe have a hat that you can wear instead of that hood, it'd be great for the coaches because we actually look at head position, the angle of your neck and head relative to your spine. You can sometimes see that your eyes are looking, kind of in the wrong place or head at the wrong angle. We're looking for the shoulder rotating under the chin, and that hood hides a lot of things that we could see visually. So if you could somehow clear that for us to see, that would be great. Appreciate it. Looks like it's chilly out there, so I know you want to keep warm. So we'll talk about forward bend. Basically, with a middle iron, your forward bend is going to be, in essence, 90 degrees. 45 degrees. So if straight up versus horizontal is 90, you want to be somewhere right here in that neighborhood, around 45 degrees. All right, so right now you've got your head tilted down a little bit. Again, I can't see perfectly, but if I draw a line strictly up the spine and I go to vertical, it puts you at about 35 degrees. Now, if I do the same with Todd over here, you're going to see that he's closer to 45 degrees. So you need more forward bend. I don't know how to train that to you other than think of it this way. You have this single plane line going, we want that single plane line to exit mid-spine on the body. And so at that point in time, kind of your sternum, the bottom of your sternum should be pointing towards the golf club. So if you're more vertical, the center of your sternum, kind of right between your ribs, is actually pointing here. And when it's pointing there, that means if you reach your arms straight out, you'd be way above the golf club. So what happens is you wind up having your arms pointing down at it, and you wind up what we call too steep, which is exactly what you have here. You can see that from this position, that point exits on your back higher than midpoint. You want it to be more like this. You want to be more bent over like this, and the arms are lifted up so that the plane line is like this. So just think in terms of pointing kind of the bottom of your rib cage at the golf ball. That'll be 45 degrees. So when you're with a driver, with a longer club, and you're further away from the ball, you won't be bent over quite as far. When you're with a wedge, which is a shorter club, you'll be closer to the golf ball, and you have to bend over further. Okay? So easy to think of it in those terms. All right, so anyhow, keep up the good work. Look forward to seeing your next offer.